that math is not the reality, you come out of that. Be flexible. Don't be in your comfort zone. You are coming from a school. You are supposed to be very bright student in your class, but IIT is the ocean. You are not going to be that studious, or that kind of, you're not going to get that kind of emotional support here. Be prepared. So this is the major, point I face. I was what in wellness also, so I face with first year students. The other, sense of failure. Sense of failure. Because first year is very tough. Hours and hours classes from 8 o'clock and till 6 o'clock. And then the mode of teaching and all other things. So as I said, that every action has its value. So failure does have its own significance and relevance in one's life. See, a student, I mean, I met, he decided totally to leave IIT. So I just asked, okay, tum chale jana, what is the problem? Said, नहीं मन नहीं लगता है, हॉस्टल नहीं ठीक है, क्लासेस समझ में नहीं आती हैं, बच्चे नहीं ठीक है, in number of. Then just I asked that, could you please tell me your family background? Then he started telling me the family background. You know, uh, marital discord in mother and father. बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ाई झगड़ा. वो लड़का ठीक से बोल नहीं पाता था. He was unable to speak. मेरे बहुत सहलाने के बाद he could speak one or two lines. So when he shared with me this thing, I got the point. And then I started talking to him, in a different manner. So see, there are so many things. Change yourself. Your mind is your real being. I mean, if marital discord is there, if domestic violence is there at your home, you're in IIT. You go to your father and you talk. I spoke to him. See, now he is all right. He has confidence. So math is not reality. Action has its own relevance. Failure has its own relevance. Flexibility. Outcome. What you think. In the modern time, what is the problem? I want, I want, I want. We are in a post-modern world. What we actually want, we don't know. So we have to be very, specific. And this is the problem with the student also. A number of opportunities. So what kind of thing you desire, that is important. So this is how, I help my students. Got it?
Hello.
Got it?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thanks. Yes.
Madam, good afternoon.
Please.
Very good afternoon.
Madam, this is Professor Khan with you.
Okay.
I'm calling from Utkal University. So Utkal University, Orissa se.
Yeah, very famous university.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So just there's a couple of questions. The
Yes,
first
please
question
go
is
ahead,
this.
Professor Khan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. My first question to you, madam, why you are restricting your NLP program to Roorkee only? Why don't you have a collaborative approach for the greater interest of the student across the Orissa also?
Well,
So
why not? Why not? Because I have the certificate, and
Right, madam.
can have, anybody, even you can have,
Right,
that
madam.
certificate.
Right.
So if I get chance, I'll do that.
Right,
But
madam.
I'm applying here because you see various types of problems. My
Right.
focus is on communication only. But communication means what? Non-verbal and verbal both.
Absolutely
But
right.
mentally you are disturbed. When you are not in a position to express yourself, then you need to know that where is the problem. And this is how I do. So I don't mind if I get this opportunity. Certainly, I'll go for that also. And I want to suggest you also that
Right, madam.
a number of institutes and the academies are there in India also, in Bangalore, perhaps, where you can join, such courses to get the certificate and also, license to be a counselor, to act as a counselor. In India, it is not very much in fashion, but yes, it is coming into the light now. But in USA, in UK, where I think that psychological problems are there in greater number, NLP is very much in fashion and very helpful, very helpful.
Yes, madam. So, madam, why didn't you think of taking this NLP as a subject, elective subject, in the course
Yeah,
curriculum of every?
in IIT, I
Yes,
must share with you that
right, madam.
at first year level, we have around 1,200 students, and this is called, the technical communication group. But we go for the screening test to see the potential of English language, knowledge for the students. So we go for the screening test, and after that, we have the basic batch and we have advanced English batch. For advanced English batch, we have neuro-linguistic programming and we have emotionality also, because
That,
emotionality is very, very important. You see, I mean, here I have seen extraordinary students. I mean, wise students. There is, sky is the limit. कोई अंत नहीं है विद्वता का. But I have also seen ऐसे ऐसे बच्चों को लाइफ में फेल होते हुए, miserably fail. Why? Because they don't have, such kind of how to manage life. How to manage life. So,
absolutely right, madam.
yeah. So I
And
have,
that is the reason, if you look at to the suicidal case in India, especially, guys from IITs, they commit suicide because of the lot of problems.
yes,
And I suppose this NLP to be taken care very seriously in the new education policy, I suppose.
yeah, it's very helpful, and we are running neuro-linguistic programming at first year level, and the students are taking this, very enthusiastically, very with full enthusiasm. And
Thank you, madam. I'll get you through your email,
okay,
madam.
fine,
All the
fine,
details. Thank you very much, madam. Thanks a lot.
Any more questions?
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Donna. I'm a research scholar at NIT Uttarakhand.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for the enlightening session. I'll quickly move on to my question. Ma'am, in the present competitive world, do you think that people, especially the people in administrative power or any people in general, are giving the needed attention to the mental and emotional well-being of individuals? Because it's still considered a taboo topic in India.
Okay. So, especially the people, administrative power, or people in general are giving the needed attention to the mental and emotional well-being of individuals.
Yes, ma'am.
I also talked about emotional intelligence, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is emotional intelligence? What is intelligence about your emotionality? That how you hold yourself. How you hold yourself in a professional. You're a PhD student. You must have ups and downs. While writing PhD, I mean, several times you will feel some kind of jolt. Am I right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
And
sure.
you need some kind of emotional support and filling up support. So administrative, I don't think that there is such kind of practice, but yes, it is also a kind of professionalism. When you find someone is lacking something at the level of emotion, well, one should support. I mean, in IIT, there is no such concept of subordination, right? Everyone is equal. Everyone is equal. I mean, assistant professor, associate professor, professor. So if you feel that someone is lacking somewhere and he or she needs some support, well, it is one's duty. There is no as such guideline for giving emotional support, but there are guidelines, like sexual harassment. And under sexual harassment, it is there that it is not meant sexually harassed. It means that even nobody can talk to you in
Even
polite
though
manner. Nobody can
one
harass
thing
you,
that it is hard to argue with
mentally. So there are rules for this, but there is not as such written anywhere that yes, you should be given emotional support. Though for a student it is there. In our institute, we have warden wellness. We have the wellness department with the student welfare department. But for teacher, there is no such like this. Yes, yoga houses is there, meditation houses is there. So maybe this is the way that they have offered, things, the administration to support the teacher and the students, right?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So, ma'am,
Hello.
should we wind up?
I
Last
don't mind.
question, sir, please.
Okay, Riddhi,
Just
please
one,
go
ma'am.
ahead. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
please.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for a wonderful session, ma'am. I would like to ask one question, which is actually I train the students on soft skills and personality development, and I've really observed that there are few students who are very promising and they are very, I mean, they have very lot of potential also. But despite of taking motivational sessions or such sessions, they do not do well. They still go back to square one. They are still at their comfort zone. So what could
Yeah,
we do for them?
yeah. I told you. I mean, several times maybe. I mean, during my discussion, that it is not very important to hold very high CCPA. What does matter is your overall personality. Even NIT must have placement center, as we have in IIT. Now you try to find out where they are lacking. At emotional level, because language is nothing. The way we speak, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोलना, हकला के बोलना, हड़बड़ा के बोलना, dramatic बोलना, these are all emotional things, that how we put our word. So what I think, that you try to find out that where they are lacking. They are very brilliant, but
Yes, they
but
are.
yeah, but if they are unable to put themselves in front of the world, like you see, we all are like a staff. I mean, I used to say, students, that to excel in the world means that you have to sell like hotcakes. So, how to sell yourself? That quality is important, and in that, personality is important. And of course, communication plays a vital role. You try to find out whether they are introvert, extrovert. You try to find out whether they are confused. You try to find out if some complex is there. And then you try to make, longer discussions with them. You try to make them open. कि कहाँ ऐसी क्या बात है कि you are lacking,
What is
right?
stopping them? Okay.
Yeah, you are lacking, because ये बात करने से ही होगा. Without talking, you cannot do anything, substantial. The more you talk, at what level you are talking about? First year, second year?
Third year students actually they are eligible for the placements this year, but
Okay.
their punctuality issues, code of conduct issues, despite of talking to them over the phone a lot of times, but then it seems that they do not turn it back. 1 or 2 days they are punctual and then again they go back to square one. So
Yes.
I'll talk to them once again.
Yes, no, but for that, as I said, before that, with the first year student, I talk, and you try to know about their family background also.
Mhm. Yeah,
Very
as you said.
silently and very smartly. Neuro-linguistic programming is something where you have to adopt your own method also sometimes. Very, very silently and smartly, you try to know their family background, that why they are doing this. And then you give examples that, okay, if you are not going to do this, this may happen. But you are, but talk maximum positively. You are so nice, you are intelligent, you have, if you do this, you could get this. You try to give them offer also. Don't talk negative. We should not talk in negation, that you are not going to do this, so you are going to know. If you could do this, you can get
Okay.
this, right?
Mm-hmm. All right, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you so much. Actually, I was going through Joseph O'Connor. while introducing NLP, psychological skills for understanding and influencing people, he once said that if you go through the world looking for excellence, you will find excellence. If you go through the world looking for problems, you will find problems. And we found that we looked for excellence and we found excellence through your talk. So,
Thank you. Thank you.
It was really wonderful, wonderful session with you, and thank you so much, all the participants, for participating enthusiastically and in much interactive way. I must thank Professor Smita Jha, Professor of English, IIT Roorkee, for sparing her valuable time, sharing her knowledge and intellect with all of us. So thank you so much, ma'am. We look forward to further collaborations in near future also.
Yeah, sure, Ajay. Thank you very much, and my best wishes to all the listener and participants. And if you want to get my email ID, because I'm getting, also here the questions. So please provide them with my email ID, Ajay, and
Right.
Renku also. And
Right, ma'am. Right. Of course, we'll.
And once again, thanks a lot for listening to me, patiently. This is also the part of neurolinguistic programming. I'm always there to help you all, whatever the problem, and if I could do something. Thank you very much.
Right, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Wonderful listening to you once again. Thank you once again, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you all. Please attend the tomorrow's sessions at